Hey guys, isn't that a beautiful sunset? We get to enjoy that all summer long in our backyard. In the wintertime, it kind of goes behind the trees back back this way. So, but I am excited because both Bernie and I turned 70. He turned 70 in July. I turned 70 last week. To celebrate entering into a new decade and making it that far, we're taking a road trip to Myrtle Beach. Neither one of us have been there for years and years. We are going to stop in Mount Airy and tour around there a little bit, just take our time going down and take our time going back. My goal, or one of my goals, is to have a good time, but to maybe discover some yummy recipes that I can bring back, work on a little bit, and share with you all. So, do me a favor and a share, maybe even a comment, and subscribe. So, y'all take care. We'll see you when we get back. Be safe. Love y'all. And never forget to be kind.